So I'm glad to announce that we have had a major revamp of the visibility, right? So seeing assets and misconfigs will be much more easier for you going forward. So let me take you through assets first, right? So in assets, so you have one screen where all the assets for the workspace is visible, right? And you can quickly find what you are searching for by using the filters here, right? So let's say you want to find assets which are impacted with high severity misconfigurations. You can quickly do that. You can kind of select only the high misconfiguration ones and you can see those assets, right? Additionally, you also get more context as to some other misconfigurations if they are affecting the assets, right? And also the owner of the asset if that has been assigned, right? The earlier functionality of assigning assets to owners are still available. You can select an asset and assign that to an owner. You can multi-select as well, right? So you can multi-select assets and quickly assign them to an owner, right? Yeah, so and to see the details of the asset, you can just click down on the row and you can see that the asset details and what misconfiguration, if any, are being affecting the asset, right? Now coming to misconfigs screen. So here again, it's one place where all the misconfigs in the workspace is available, and you can quickly find high severity issues, right? If you want, you can choose that, and you want to see issues affecting a particular cloud account. You can quickly do that as well, right? Let's say Cloudflare, right? Okay, so these are the misconfigs affecting Cloudflare account. And to see details of the misconfiguration, you can click down on the row and you can see the details plus how to fix the issue, what are the affected assets through this misconfiguration, and you can navigate to the asset as well, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it about the revamp. I hope it will be useful for you. Now introducing the security process functionality. So all the security process available for the workspace is shown in the library, right? You can choose to add a security process to the workspace by clicking on add and configuring what misconfigurations you want to send, what email you want to send those to. So currently the choices are limited, but it will be expanded over time, right? Yeah, so once you choose that, then you can also choose what severity levels of misconfigs that need to be sent to this particular email, right? And whatever has been configured or enforced for the workspace will be available in the enforce tab, right? And with a summary of what has been configured. So for example, this particular security process which is sending specific misconfigs to Jira. So you can see that there are misconfigs belonging to the GitHub cloud provider and cloud services which are configured, and it's being sent to the Jira project demo service project, and having severity levels critical, high, medium, low, and info, right? If you want to disable it for some time or like temporarily, you can do this. You can disable it, you can enable it back right from this list. You can, if you want to completely remove it, right, you can you have the delete option as well, right? Now the third tab here is a manage misconfigs. So it is possible that for a particular cloud account you do not want a particular misconfig to be evaluated, right? So you can choose to disable misconfig for a cloud account, right? And going forward in the misconfigs, this if it's been disabled, so that misconfig will not come up for that particular cloud account, right? So thank you. If there are any doubts, please feel to reach out, right? Thank you.